All right, what's up, y'all? So we got hit with a hard ice storm last night. We got about 4 inches of snow and about half an inch of ice. So the roads are all iced up and we need to get in here, get some machinery fixed up so we can get this driveway plowed. I got some ideas. Let's check it out. Man, look at this driveway. Look at this road. Oh man, that thing is a solid sheet of ice. 1 inch thick, about 800 feet long. It doesn't look bad, right? Yeah, you could drive on it. Yeah, right. Look at that. So here's what we're dealing with here. So we got a layer. We got that ice, about a ½ inch. Underneath it's snow. Melt, freeze overnight, all the way down. So I got an idea how to get in here and get all this stuff scraped up without a shovel. Let's see if it'll work. So we got the tiller over my shoulder right here. This thing has sat abandoned for years. I'm gonna get in here so we can get it started so we can get down there and scrape all that ice off the asphalt. So there's that little scrape blade I made, and I made that years ago, man. And that thing is still holding up good, but that's gonna be our secret weapon against that ice on that asphalt. So this thing's been sitting back here for a while. It was tarped up, but it's got weeds growing through it. I don't know, will it run? Let's find out. See what the compression's looking like. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's got good compression. I bet you it's got a rusted gas tank. Please be dry, please be dry. Please be dry. Oh yes, it's bone dry. And it doesn't look like it's very rusty. Man, we might get off easy on this one, huh? Man, these weeds, huh? So, some snow up here, some leaves. What do y'all think? Put some gas in here. Throw some gas in here and see if it'll crank. Sounds like a plan to me. Get all this stuff off of here. Where's the shovel? All right. Man, this thing's got vines all over it. Get out of there. Come on now. Whew. Flamethrower. Come on. How is that thing still green, man? We got green plants out in the winter. 1/4 inch, ½ inch ice on them. That's wild. That should be good enough. What do y'all think? Fresh gas? Feeling lucky today? We're going fresh gas, no carb clean. Let's see. See if it'll crank up. That ought to be enough to get us in there, huh? Hey, if we can't melt the ice with this thing scraping it, you know what time it is. Oh man. Choke on. Gas on. Yeah. Oh, oh. Yes, yes, yes. Yes. No carb clean. Yeah, governors. So it's not idling right. The governor's not working right. We got a small gas leak right here. So I shut it off like that, but we need to get this fixed up so it'll work right. So let me get this carburetor cleaned up and then we'll get back to work and we're gonna get all that ice scraped down. Ooh, brother, what is that? Look at all that gunk in there. No wonder it wasn't running right. Hard to see in the sun, but we got some Berryman B12. We'll take care of that. No problem. Get back to work. This stuff works great. I got half a mind to just duct tape this thing to the front of it. Sharper, you know. Get in there. Alright, so it's not working that great on the ice, you know, but I made some progress so far. So what I'm learning is we got to break it up, get up under it. It's almost better with the shovel, but it's doing a pretty good job. I've cleared a lot, but look what I got. Oh yeah, this ought to melt it. Oh my gosh, that is so slick. All right, there we go. We got it all cleared down there. Tiller is right back up in there. Get some ice melt on here so it sits overnight, doesn't refreeze. But it's looking good so far. We'll see what it's looking like tomorrow. And I'm gonna scrape some more of this stuff with the tiller because I know it'll do better once it slushes up. All right, it's the next day here. Yes, sir. It is warmed up and you can see we got a clear path. This road is clear. So yeah, the scraper, it worked pretty well, but that black ice, you know, got down into the grains here, into the rocks, and was really stuck on there. We chipped some of it. It'll work better on like this slush, this white slush. It works better on that, and I bet you it'll work better on this snow right here. Let's give it a shot. I'm interested to see if we could plow this up with that thing. Oh yeah, that did the trick down there, huh? I mean, it works all right, you know. For a snow plow, it's really meant for moving around loose dirt. You know, once that stuff gets compacted, it's hard to get in there. The thing really doesn't have that much weight on it, but any amount of this stuff I can move without shoveling, I'm up for it. So we got the Avalanche here. Let's crank this bad boy up after sitting for 3 days. Let's see if it lives up to its name, Avalanche. See if we can get through this snow. We got about 3 inches left, but see if it'll even start after sitting. Okay. Oh yeah. 2-wheel drive Avalanche, huh? Right through that snow. See if we can get it up here. I got the 4-wheeler parked up here. Oh yeah. Sweet. Alright, that's it for the video. Tiller put in work, 4-wheeler put in work, the torch put in work. I'm not used to the cold, but we got the tiller fixed up, you know, for farming season. Once this stuff melts and warms up, we'll get out here and plant some stuff. So we'll have that tiller running good. I gotta go warm up, man. I'll check you out on the next one. Later.